NolPal we rent Epal pallets, simply made of wood, without added dyes. Why? Because we believe in quality, efficiency, and sustainability. And that's because Epal is the only pallet that encompasses all three. But why haven't we created our own proprietary pallet with a bright color that would set us apart from the crowd? We can do that since we are the leading Italian producers of pallets. But we chose Epal. Why? First of all, because Epal. It is a fungible pallet, meaning it is interchangeable. This means it can be used anywhere, without issues, simplifying logistics and reducing costs. Furthermore, Epal is regulated by Italian law, Law 51 of 2022, which ensures its proper use and quality. This gives us the assurance of providing our customers with a reliable product that complies with regulations. And then there's the supply chain. Epal, a rigorous control system that guarantees the quality of the pallet at every stage of its life cycle, supervised in Italy by Conlegno, guarantor of the Epal brand. Epal pallet manufacturers are subject to continuous inspections, and repairs must also be carried out by certified operators. This ensures that Epal pallets are always in perfect condition and ready for use. These are specialized centers, certified by the relevant authorities, where Epal pallets are repaired with care and professionalism to ensure the highest quality and safety. Now let's touch on another fundamental point, the eco-design of the Epal. Look at the materials: wood and iron, two natural and recyclable resources. Epal pallet designed to last over time and to be reused to the fullest. And what happens when it breaks? No problem. Epal can be easily repaired by replacing only the damaged parts. This is thanks to their simple and sturdy structure, as well as the availability of spare parts. And do you know what the even more interesting thing is? That 25% of the volume of an Epal is made up of recycled wood blocks. Those blocks you see are made from recycled wood sourced from other Epal. A perfect example of a circular economy. And this is only possible thanks to the Epal supply chain. It ensures the quality of the pallet at every stage of its life cycle. And when the Epal pallet reaches the end of its life, nothing goes to waste in that case either. Wood and iron are recycled to create new pallets or other items. In short, Epal is a pallet that respects the environment at every stage, from production to disposal. And if you want to learn more about the sustainability of the Epal, don't miss the next video.